Hey, speaking down the shore here, you saw it on our show. A seagull smacks a local teenager in the face while she's on a ride at Maury's Piers in Wildwood. Here it comes. So, here it comes. Look at that. So yesterday we did a Zoom interview with these two young ladies, Kylie and I forget.
Georgia.
Georgia, thank you. This morning, because he demands this now from our, he called the newsroom, we have an exclusive with the seagull. And he seems a bit angry. He believes he's been maligned by our interview. We do have a picture of the seagull. Welcome to Good Day Philadelphia, first of all. How do I address you? What's your name?
I'm Sal the Seagull, Mike, and I appreciate somebody finally coming around and asking for the other side of the story. Isn't that part of what you guys do? But for the past week, all I see is, oh, this poor girl.
Well, we feel that way. We've been calling foul because did you not see her?
Did I not see her? Let's review nature here. You guys walk, we fly. She decided to Jeff Bezos herself into my house.
Well, that's a good point.
Yeah.
I'm just flying, looking for lunch, trying to find an 8-year-old who's willing to share a French fry with me, and then she takes me out. And let's be honest, if you watch the video, which I know everybody has, oh, look at this seagull, look at this poor girl. After she hits me, fine, everybody makes mistakes. I'm holding on for dear life. I don't know if I'm in Wildwood, Longport, or got shot up in North Jersey. And what does she do? Does she let me ride so I can figure out where I'm going?
No.
No, she throws me off.
Wow.
Nobody has video of that flight. I looked like Karen walking home at 2 a.m. on a Saturday night.
Whoa, shots.
Well, speaking of that, you looked a little wobbly. Were you drinking? Was it cockatiel hour? Were you under the feather?
No, I was flying looking for food. You know, there's a whole bigger story here, guys, that we need to talk about, and I'm glad this has come to light. There's a cancel culture for seagulls out there. You know, Mike, I'm like you. I like to go from hot town to hot town. I can't even go to Ocean City anymore. They release vultures and owls every morning to keep me away.
Well, here's the thing. I think it's her age. What you got in the face of a child?
Oh, I was flying. She got into my face. I mean, I'm surprised she put her phone down and wasn't TikToking at that moment.
There is that. Well, we hear that you're kind of, making this work for you now that you're famous and all, and everyone's been seeing this video. Are you going to be in the next Angry Birds game?
Good one.
I think it'd be good. Yeah, let's exploit it. Like the kids in college now can make money off their personal licensing. You know, we can make T-shirts. I survived Sal the Seagull.
By the way, are you okay? Are you injured?
I'm fine. You know, I'm a little hurt. You know, I fly up and down the beach every morning looking for food, and I look at everybody in their phones, and all they're looking at is this poor girl. Meanwhile, I just want a French fry. Could somebody share a slice of pizza with me? You know?
Some might say they don't get to share with you. You just take.
No, you're sharing. The kids love it. I come down. It's like nature comes to you.
Yeah, right in your face.
I'm just happy to be on the show. I haven't talked to you guys in about 6 years when you guys visited us down in Wildwood for Alex's first show. That was a big moment. We were there.
Yeah, I remember that. You crapped on me.
No, I mean, listen, we still remember the big moments. You know, Alex arrived in the tram car. Man, your producer really went all out to think of originality for that one. And then, Mike, but we still talk about Mike from that day. Of all the years of all my family, there has never been a sweatier man than we've ever seen. My little cousin dove in what he thought was a pool of water on the boardwalk. It just turned out to be Mike's sweat.
There he is. You are spicy, Sal.
Well,
All right, I'll share a fry with you. I'll have my kids share a fry when we come down in a couple hours.
yeah.
Thank you. We really enjoy the Old Bay crab fries.
Oh, yeah. These are orders now.
You know, they have them and a little slice of Max, and I'm good to go, and we can be friends again.
Oh, well, great talking to you. I understand you got to fly, so you're out.
See you later.
See ya.
So angry.
Yeah.